Give me the card and I'll read it. Let's see. It says, "My dearest Gracie, I already had your presents in the sleigh that I picked out for you. Roller skates are dangerous. Just ask your Aunt LaShawn. Maybe in a few more years. You and your brothers have been good, although I wish you would listen to your parents more. They really love you, 3 kids, and I wish you would be more respectful. Jack, please be better about doing what you are told. Brody, please start answering questions with an answer other than I don't know. Gracie, keep your room tidy and your hair brushed. Be good in 2016. Love, Santa." Wow.
What does that mean?
I don't know. I guess we'll have to call her.
Ask Aunt LaShawn. Santa was first a letter and it said ask Aunt LaShawn because roller skates are dangerous.
Are they?
Never mind.
They ain't dangerous to her, though. No.
Like I said,
Who got? Did y'all give me those chairs?
no Santa did. And
Are you sure?
these.
Well, can I open this present now?
What does it say?
To Jack from Santa.
All the Jacks is at the back for some reason.
Okay, I guess you can.
Did you chew up those carrots?
No! Yay!
Look, what was it, Jack?
I wanted one of these shirts.
You did. Is that what all your buddies had too? At school?
I wanted one of these shirts.
I'm opening this one.
Now you and Daddy can match.
What?
Now you and Daddy can match. Whoa!
Let's calm down.
I told you we're having a war today.
What'd you get, Jack? Oh, wow. That's just what you needed.
Loki!
You can open it, baby. What is it?
Look.
Oh, man. What do you think it is?
Daddy, catch.
This is for all 3 of us. This is for all 3 of us from
Well,
Savannah.
oh, man, you better open it
Y'all
together. Just
everybody
calm down.
Y'all are going to open them all and you'll be our stuff to open.
But you cannot use it.
Smile at me.
Guys, this is
Oh, wow. Is that what you wanted, sis? Oh, man. That's to all of y'all. What is it? What is it, Bubba? Oh, wow.
Oh, Santa Claus
Oh,
must have
that's
brought
what
the
you
wrong
wanted,
one.
wasn't it, Bub?
That's for an Xbox One. We don't have an Xbox One.
Unless if we get a present.
There's no way.
There is a way. Why would he say that?
Maybe he probably
That's what you
messed
wanted,
up.
wasn't it?
Yeah.
All right, you like that? That's pretty.
Not eating that.
I like that. That's a pretty red.
I think this is fine.
You can probably just set that thing up there. We'll probably have to take it back because we'll have to get one for the Xbox 360 probably. Santa Claus probably just sent
What's
them
that
all
to?
things.
Well, who's that from? Why don't you finish opening your Santa gifts, baby?
This one's for all of us and it's really heavy.
this probably don't behave.
You think so?
That's probably the box of coal.
Oh no, Jack.
Yeah.
That's from Granddaddy and Jen and Haley.
I told you.
Oh wow, look, Bubba. Look, Jack.
Xbox One.
Are you excited?
He's loving it.
What's
Y'all wait
that
a minute.
say?
Brody's getting a trash bag. We're going to throw some of this paper away before we get too much piled up.
Goodness.
Y'all throw the paper in the bag for Brody.
Well, the
Gracie.
neighbors are up. I'm here. Okay, go open them, Jack.
I'm a present for you.
Oh, that's the best present. Okay, open it, sis.
Where's that one, Brody?
They're all over. Gracie,
I didn't have a shoe.
this one you
What kind of shoes? Wow. It says Rachel shoes. Are you sure those are for you?
It might not even be shoes because yesterday I got a present in the shoe box.
Surely Santa wouldn't trick you like that. Boots! That's what you needed.
That's the shoe that I want. Gracie gave me this.
Gracie gave you what?
Wacky Wednesday.
Wacky
That's
Wednesday.
really cool.
Wow, that's really nice. You should tell her thank you.
Thank you.
Jack, watch. This is for everybody.
Oh, wow, Jack.
And it's controller.
A controller?
Yeah.
Wow. That's just what y'all need. Well, calm down.
Hang on, let's everybody stay calm. Mom wants to get pictures and stuff. Let me hold that for you.
Check this out. I mean,
Okay, y'all slide your stuff into piles.
Yeah, start
Make
putting
you
it in
an open
piles.
spot.
Because we got a lot of stuff to go through.
Jack, listen to what I said, okay? Get your stuff all in
Jack.
the spot.
Oh, put that wrapping paper from Granddaddy and you put it up.
Just put your stuff right here. What I want to know is I folded that blanket up, put it on the couch. Did Santa Claus take a nap while he was here? Did he take a nap in the floor?
Jack, I'm gonna put all this stuff out the way.
Hey, don't turn the water off.
And I do not know.
Gracie, put that blanket up.
Who's this?
I think it goes to a chair, don't it?
Who's this?
It looks like it goes to the chair. Let me see.
Yes, it goes to the chair.
Who's that from?
I can't believe Santa Claus brought me 2 chairs.
That's the one for Mama.
Who's that from, Sissy?
Radio. Now I have to listen to radio. Yeah, acting like a baby.
That's from who? Who is that from? No, that present you're opening.
That's from Granddaddy.
Who? Okay, well, who's that present you're opening?
I cannot see the name.
Are you sure?
Would be nuts.
Where is the name?
Okay.
Maybe it's
That's
It's
from
right here.
nobody.
what is it? See that? I
You know what it is? You blow it up and you hit it and you kick it. You know, like those lady fighters. Yeah, MMA.
Oh, now I know what
What'd you get?
I already know it's that Now you don't see it one.
Maybe you should take pictures instead of me holding 2 cameras. What'd you get, Bubba? Are you excited? You know what you got, Jack? That's a 3-wheeler, and when you turn, it spins, and then it's got a lever, and you turn it, and it makes sparks fly.
Ooh.
Whoa, right?
Brody.
That'll be cool, won't it, Jack? We thought that would be cooler for you right now instead of a ripstick because it's so hard right now.
See what you got. Turn it so I can see it. Turn it right side up. You like it small right now?
We'll have to try it out in a little bit, and you can turn it and make it slide and sparks fly everywhere. Gracie needed to put it in the ponds.
You're gonna like this present.
Well, you're going for your presents. Teddy don't care
You go-
about opening them right now.
You go open.
I'll say that about your face. Wow. Where'd you get this from? The Russellville Flea Market?
No, I got it.
Where'd you get it from? At school.
That's pretty cool. I thank you very much.
I'm opening this up.
And give him a kiss and a hug.
Thank you.
From Gracie. She's giving her stuff away.
Well, that was nice.
What was that?
This is hard rock. It's hard rock.
We'll set it on the ground and not on the...
This is a hard rock.
We'll set it on the floor and not on top of something else.
And it's for you.
This is
And it's for you.
Are you just opening stuff now, Jack?
Oh, Jack got a coffee pot. What are you going to do with the coffee pot, dude?
What do I do with it? Coffee pot?
Go make us some coffee.
No,
That's exactly what Mama needs.
In it.
That's what we need, some coffee.
This.
You need? Look at that sweater. That's nice.
shirt.
You're not taking pictures. Oh, that's nice. You're going to have all kinds of nice
Y'all pick up your
new
pick up the
clothes.
paper again. and
Oh,
maybe
Jack,
it's
that's
done.
going to be so nice on you.
Jack,
Beautiful.
Hey, Jack.
Oh, that's pretty, sis. That'll be pretty with your eyes. Okay.
Watch it out.
Pile it up.
hey, brother. You hand me a tissue.
You like that, sis? She done forgot she picked it out.
Let's share. From the share. Come on. Come you and Dad.
Well, just calm
Come
down.
you and Dad.
Go see if there's any more of your presents over there. or not.
This is for you and Mama.
Thank you, baby. Sounds like some money.
Sounds like money.
Wow. And a crayon?
She said, oh, that's not supposed to be in there.
A gingerbread man? Mama can
It's like mixing bowls.
we should use that for a Christmas ornament.
I got another one.
Look at you.
Look at that.
You like
turkey
that?
for Christmas? Look at that, Mama. I got a turkey and a gingerbread.
Wow.
And a brown crayon. I'm keeping the crayon. Jack, you're the only boy that got 2 coffee pots for Christmas.
I got a ball. I got ball wrappers. But
Jack is probably the only 6-year-old boy that got 2 coffee pots. Let me see it. Wait, smile.
Smile before you open it.